In this video, I'm going to discuss the order in which you should solve any equation. Let me illustrate. Let's take this equation right here, which says 5 plus 3 plus 4. What should you do first? Well, you should add the 5 plus 3 because they're in parentheses. Anytime an equation is encased in a parentheses or a bracket or some kind of a brace, you should solve it first, then solve the rest. So first of all, you would add 5 plus 3, which would be 8. Then you would add 4, which would be 12. Okay? Now, what if you have an equation which you have a like a square or some kind of an exponent, or you have a square root? Well, you solve the exponent first, then you add the number. So 5 squared is 25 plus 4 is 29. Okay? Now what if you have multiplication and addition in the same equation? You would solve the multiplication first, then you would solve the addition. And this is the same as with division too. If you had a division and an addition, you solve the division part first, then the addition. So 5 times 4 is 20, plus 6 is 26. Alright? Now what if you have addition and subtraction? Well, that's basically your choice. 5 plus 4 is 9, minus 2 is 7. Now if you subtracted 2 from 4, that'd be 2, and 5 plus 2 would also be 7. Now what if you have more than one parentheses? Well, you solve the first one, then you solve the second one, and then you get your answer. As you can see here, you have 5 plus 4, which is 9, 9 plus 7, which is 16, subtract 3, and you have 13. So always solve the most internal one first, then solve the external one, then solve the rest of the problem. And that's how you solve your equations. I will talk about more math terms and computer terms in a future video, so stay tuned.